In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up excess lines from shapes in AutoCAD, fast drafting fix. If your drawing feels cluttered or your snaps keep grabbing the wrong edges, chances are you've got overlapping or duplicate lines hiding in plain sight. Cleaning those up not only makes drafting faster, it also reduces file size and prevents issues with hatching, measurements, and plotting. We'll use one simple command to handle it efficiently. Start by opening your drawing and focusing on the area that looks messy or where shapes seem to stack on top of each other. Zoom in so you can clearly see what you're selecting. Drag a selection window around the problem region or click to pick specific objects that look duplicated. You can pre-select if you like or wait until the command prompts you. Both approaches work. A quick tip, it's smart to save before major cleanups, just in case you want to undo everything later. Now, go to the command line, type overkill and press enter. This is AutoCAD's built-in tool for removing duplicate and overlapping geometry. It works on lines, arcs, polylines, and more, and it's quick. If you didn't pre-select, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the objects you want to clean up, window around the region, or click to add only what you want processed. Then press enter. If you did pre-select, the command will pick that up and move straight to the next step. You'll see the delete duplicate objects dialog. This is where you control what gets removed and how. Make sure the option to delete duplicate objects is on. If you know that overlapping lines are collinear and should become a single segment, enable the settings that combine collinear or overlapping lines and optimize polylines. The tolerance value tells AutoCAD how close objects need to be to count as duplicates. A small value is safest to avoid merging things that shouldn't be merged. If you want duplicates removed even when layer or color differs, enable the options to ignore properties like layer, color, or line type. Otherwise, leave those unchecked so objects on different layers are treated as unique. The goal is to match your drafting intent, keep distinct design information, remove only the needless copies. When your settings look right, click OK. AutoCAD will process the selection and report how many duplicates and overlaps were removed. Take a moment to pan around the cleaned area. Snapping should feel more predictable and shapes should look crisp. If something didn't behave as expected, use undo and try again with a different tolerance or property ignore setting. You can repeat the same workflow in other regions to keep your entire drawing lean and accurate. That's it. Fast, precise, and clean drafting with a single command.